Good afternoon to one and all. In the last class, we discussed about the details of sectionings, the theory regarding the sectioning part. Okay, how to do sectioning, what is the importance of sectioning, and what are the different sections, half sections, full sections, revolved sections, breakout sections, and we studied the different procedure or the different guidelines of noting the section views. Okay, for example, the lines, how to draw lines, section line, hatch lines, what is the distance between them. We have studied all this in the previous classes. Okay, in the today's lectures, we'll solve the problems of example. We'll take up the examples, which will help us to know the how to draw the half section views, full section views, okay, and how to note down it. And we are doing it all in the first angle projections. Before to this, you should know what is first angle projections, what is third angle projections, and all these things. So today we'll start with examples. So we'll be dealing with the sections of views. Okay. So next we'll be studying about all these things. Okay. So this is an example of full section view. So see the figure of this is a component, given component. Okay. Draw the following views. He has given the problems, and the exams also you will have the same kind of problems to draw the section views. So you can see the sectional front view. Okay, through section AA, you can see here in this, you can see the section over here. Here it is given A through this line through AA. So that in a front view. So this will be the front view direction. X will be, and this on this side will be having a top side, top view. Okay, and top view and left hand side view. So left hand, this will be the left hand side view. So coming on the right hand side. Okay, so this is the figure before starting the conversion of the sectional views. Okay, pictorial to isometrics views. Okay, so you have to see the component, you have to understand the component dimensions, which are the dimensions given, what all are the dimensions he has given, all the things, criticalness, how much diameter is there, what is the length, what is the center it is there. Okay. Should understand all these things before starting the things. Before starting the solutions, we should know the understand the component or the understand the product very clearly. Okay. So this is the figure. In this first example, we'll study the sectional. We have to draw for the sectional front view. Okay. Once it is cut at the middle through AA portion, that is the AA will be the cutting plane. Okay. So sectional front view in that. So how you remove that portion, how it looks like. Okay. Once you take it out the part of the other side, so how it looks like in the front side. Okay, and we are not saying with the top side. We are he is asking for the only top views and left hand side. Okay, so we'll be drawing all these views. So this question will be asked for the 25 marks in the section for the part A. Okay, It's a very important and very easier to score the things also. Let's see these things. So he has given things like diameter, small hole diameter is 30 and bigger one diameter is 60, and this width is 80 mm. So from here to, from one end of the things to the rib or the wedge is 34 distance, 34 mm, and from here to here it is the 10 mm. You can see this in clearly in the figure. Okay, and what will be the center distance from this to height is, you can note down. So from height it is the 60 plus 36. Okay, after this 60, after this it is a 40. Okay, totally 136 it is height is that. Okay, 136 is height, and if you go for the other side, okay, so we'll be having this one. Okay, so this is the 30 from center over here, and next it is 40. 40, next it is the 30 here again of a circle of diameter. From here to here it is 40. Okay, from center to other side it is 30. So from here to here it is 30. The total is 100, and height is 136. So before starting these things, uh, will be drawn on all the things. Okay, so it will be taken all the views. So like front view is there, front view, and top view will be there, top views. This is the front view. Okay, so this is a front view. You can see here, and here it is the front view, and more of all these things. So total length here it is there of 100, and it is the height of uh, it's of height of 136. Okay, height of 136. It's a block. We have to create the block front view, and similarly it is a left side view. Okay, and all these things. It's a block of 100 by 136. Okay, so here in the front view, what I'll be seeing here, from one side it is there. Okay, from other side you have to draw these views. Okay, we can see here, you can see this. These are the views you have to draw here. The views, front view it is there. We will be drawing all the views. Before to this, we have to draw first the X line and Y line. This is the X axis and this is Y axis. So here it is X and here it is Y. So XX and YY it is there. Okay. Before starting this, we have to do first this one, XX and YY axis, and you'll be saying this is will be the front view. Okay, the front view will be in the vertical planes and top will be in the horizontal planes. Okay, next you have measured all these things, so next we have to front view. Will be drawing all these diagrams of 30 30. Okay, the diameter is of internal diameter. You can see here he has given the 30 diameter. Next it is outer diameter. Outer diameter is given. You have to draw this both first. Okay, so outer diameter and inner diameter. Okay, next you have to mark all these things. So similarly, in the top view, we can see these things from either side. From other end you can see this. So here it is a one circle of dia of 20. Next it is from the 30 from the other end. Okay, from 100 other side. So one circle it is there, another circle is there of dia of 40. Dia 40 is there, and lastly we are having one more circle which is outer circle, which is of having of 30 60 diameter. You can see here from this. So this will be having this circle, whatever this circle is showing here, what we are seeing. So here it is of 60 diameter we have to draw. Okay, so you can visible from here this side. So this is the 60 diameter. Okay, so this is the 20 diameter, and this is 40 diameter. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, and we are already marked. This is the table of 100, and this length is total length is 136. Okay, so 136 is there. So how it is 136, all we have mentioned there. Okay, so height is of that. Okay, like this here 60 plus 36 plus we are having and next finally 40. So this will becomes like 60 36 plus 136. So the height will become, the total height will be becoming the 136 from here to here. Okay. So next similarly here it is becoming, why how it is 100 here it is from 30. Okay, we can see here from here to here it is 30 plus 40 plus we are having next another from here to here it is 30. Okay, so this will become, we have to draw this box. and very first one, how what are the outlines, guidelines, and all these things. Okay. So next we'll see. So you marked all the front view and the top views. Okay. So these are the very clear things. Next we'll go with this. So we'll go all with this. Okay. Next. Okay, we have drawn all these things. Okay, so we have drawn all the things. Next, we have to draw for the things. Okay, once it is over, okay, in next step we have to draw for this one. Okay, the height is 36 mm. The height is 36 mm, and you can see this length from here to here. What we have to draw. So here to here it is 36 length. Okay. You can see here 36. Next, the width is 20. Here it is 20, here it is there. After 36, we have to draw the length, okay, the full length of 70, you can see here. This is 40. After the 40, you have to draw the center line. After 40, you have to draw center line. And after this, we have to go for the next is 30, extension of 30. And the depth is 20. You can see here it is a depth, here it is there 20 mm. Next, you have to join this, portion, and again the distance is there from one end, it is 20. Join this portion. Okay, so up to here it is over. Next, you can see this. Okay, up to from here it is over. Next, we have to see for the next moment. Okay, so here it is there from this side. Okay, from the top view, you have to draw. You'll be seeing this one from 36. Okay, so 36 it is there. So remaining only one 10 mm will be there. Okay, because it is the from here to circle is there. So here to here it is 30. So circle is there means it will taking up 30. From here we have to start our point, and it will be taking up here, and it looks like this, and this. So this will be completing your front view. Okay. And similarly in the top view, what has to be done? Okay, what has to be done? Okay. In the top you have to draw all these projections and all. So you have drawn up to here, drawn 3 circles. We have to get these projections. We have to drawing these projections. So all these things. Okay, we'll be saying this thing. It is by 80 by 80 by all these things, 80 by 60. Okay, so this one you can see here. So this length is 60 mm, and you can see here this is the thing, this portion, top view we are seeing. Okay. And next, coming over here, from here the end, from center, we are drawing this side from 40. Here it is that we are drawing the projections, this portion over here, completing this from here to here center, from center line. Okay. Next we are having the ribs of 12 mm, so we have to mark this 12 mm, so which is over here. So this is the ribs, you can see this in top view, which is of 12 mm. You can see here it is 12 mm from center over here. So this will be completing your all this, the center line will be marked over here. So this will be completing your top view. Similarly, so this length 60 total length. Okay, so this will be the top view. If you project all these things, okay, the top view and side view will be the same over here. So this will be having the same, the height is same, the height remains the same. Okay. And side will be remain the same of total length. So you can see here in the left hand side, so this is the direction where you can see. So visually you will see this portion. So this portion we are seeing, and this portion we are seeing, and this portion we are seeing. And that too with side link. So this is the things we have to see, we have to draw all these things, projections. So the same will be projected over here, these circles of 80 by 60. So this is this portion. So next, here it is going to take up of the, in the middle line we are going to center line. After center line will be drawn here. So here we are going to see the ribs 12 mm, 6 mm on either side. So after this, from here it is 36 mm. Okay. From 36 mm, we'll be seeing this portion. Okay. So this is the top side, what will be the 40 mm. Okay. So this is a 60. Okay, like this. Here it is. So we'll be seeing completing all these things in a left hand side view. This is the left hand side view, left hand side view. Okay, so this will be completing your entire portions. Okay, so next we'll go with this. We'll be completing this portion. After this, it is been asked for the sectional views. Sectional views, to see for the sectional views. So here it is there, section views. So to take up the sections, like this. Okay. So after this, in the front you have to show the sections. Here it is A, it is there. So here it will coming all these sections. If you are seeing this one, you'll be seeing all the sections. This portion will be seen, sections will be. So what all will be seen other scenes? So this will be also seen here. So this one will be the scene. So after this is the final view where you can see this all the sections, what are all the parts we are going to cut. So through this, what all they will be there, sectioning. So this will be there in these things. And after this, we have to draw this uh, hidden lines. Hidden lines will be having like this. These are the hidden lines. So these are the hidden lines where you can see from here to here it is there. So this can't be seen in the hidden line. Similarly over here we are going to see this. So this is also a hidden line. Here it is there. Okay. So one more here it is there. So you can see this also hidden line. So these things will not be seen. Okay, hidden lines will be shown here also in the top view and in the side views. So in the front views will be saying all this. In the side view you can see, we can't see this holes. So that's why it is being made. It is being made here over here. So hidden line it is there. Similarly over here. So here this is also a hidden line. So here also you can see, can't see this one. So this is how we are making the sectional lines. Okay. Hope you understood this concept of sectional planes. So next we'll be coming with a few more examples for your understandings. If you are having any queries, feel free to ask me without any hesitations. You are most welcome for the queries. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.